On Sunday, September 28th from 11 to 4, we are hosting in Hingham the 99th Historic House Tour, which is one of the most impressive and certainly longest running house tours in the country.
So this year, we have 7 private homes and 6 public buildings that you get to explore and see the inside of, really get to see the history of those buildings.
And we have a couple other featured bonuses that you might want to come out and see.
As we approach the 250th anniversary of the American Revolution, few towns can boast as many extant revolutionary houses as Hingham, approximately 140. I hope you will come to our historic house tour where you will be able to go inside homes where both revolutionary patriots and some loyalists lived during the Revolution.
This year's house tour will debut substantial improvements in accessibility and visitor services at the Old Ordinary. These were generously underwritten by grants from the Massachusetts Office of Travel and Tourism and by Hingham residents through community preservation funds. Don't miss this chance to see what's new at our historic 17th century tavern.
Major General Benjamin Lincoln is a lifelong Hingham resident. His home is a National Historic Landmark. It is on our 99th house tour. Another great historic home that you get to see on the 99th Historic House Tour is the home of Reverend Ebenezer Gay, who was minister at First Parish, or Old Ship Meeting House, for nearly 70 years.
I've been a volunteer for the house tour for several years, and it's my favorite day of the year.
I personally love seeing the inside of so many of these homes that I've wondered about for years and years.
I think the thing I love the most is the opportunity to bring the community together around something that means so much to us, which is really the identity and historic significance of Hingham within Massachusetts.
We, as neighbors, get to enter spaces that people have preserved with care and love, and we get to celebrate their stewardship of these old historic spaces.
Please join us on Sunday, September 28th for our 99th Historic House Tour.